Now I'm going to explain to you about countable and uncountable.
Today, I'm going to explain to you the material of grammar that the title is about countable and uncountable. From this material, countable and uncountable, we have to know first. And then after we know the meaning, I will explain to you the material clearly. So, look at first. In here, I have written countable. So, I make the definition about countable. The first is count and able. So, as we know that count, the meaning is menghitung. And then, able, the meaning is mampu. So, if we join these words, the meaning is mampu menghitung. Mampu menghitung, what does it mean? The meaning is we can count the noun. So the definition of countable is we can count the noun. Or in bahasa Indonesia-nya, kita bisa menghitung benda tersebut. For example, what is the thing that we can count? Apa benda yang bisa kita hitung? For example, contohnya.
Orang.
What?
Orang.
People.
Yeah, people.
Yes, people. And then chair and table and dessert. Next, we go to uncountable. Uncountable, I make 3 definitions. The first is and then the second is count, and the last is able. So, it means that tidak. Count, menghitung. And then, able, mampu. So, from this definition, we can conclude that uncountable have the meaning is tidak mampu menghitung atau tidak bisa dihitung, or cannot be counted. So, uncountable is we cannot count the noun, but countable, we can count the noun. So, in here, the examples. The examples of uncountable, for example, apa sih benda yang nggak bisa dihitung?
Water.
Water, good. And then
Sand. Pasir.
sand, and then sugar, and etc. Okay, I think this material is not difficult. I think this is very easy. But today, I'm not only explaining to you about countable and uncountable, but I have an additional lesson about this that is related about countable and uncountable. So the additional lesson about this is I want to explain to you is about much and many. By the way, what is the meaning of much and many?
Banyak.
Banyak, but there is a difference between this. If much itu yes banyak, but banyaknya itu we cannot count it the noun. So much itu adalah benda yang tidak bisa kita hitung. So we can conclude that much is for
Uncountable.
uncountable. Good. And then many, banyak, we can count the noun, so we can conclude that many for countable. So I want to give 3 questions to you. You have to answer by using much and many. Okay. So the first is okay. The first question is about there is blank 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 water in my bottle. According to you, what is the answer? Much or many?
Much.
Much. Very good. By the way, why the answer is much?
Because water is uncountable.
Yes, because water is uncountable. We cannot count. We cannot count water. Nobody cannot count water. Okay? Gak ada seorang pun yang bisa menghitung air. And then the second. The second question is, there are many blank 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 books in here. What is the answer?
Many.
Many. Why the answer is many?
Because countable.
Countable. Which one is countable?
Book.
Books. Okay. The last definition I forget. So we can conclude that countable. We can know the things that we can count is if there is s. So remember, if the noun there is s, ies or ves, it means that we can count the noun. Okay? Okay, I think that's all about my explanation about countable and uncountable. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.